We were contracted with Caltrans as part of a general phase 1 site assessment to work on a remediation project along Interstate 10 down in Los Angeles County. It was a massive site. It was over 20 miles of highway. It was probably 66 different structures they wanted us to look at, 257 parcels to determine where contaminants of concern were as part of a highway expansion. We were given 2 or 3 tables from the client. We were given an ERIS report with over 1,000 records, lots of different data sources, lots of different records to analyze in those different data sources. I talked to my staff. Our GIS guru, Dan Stills, came up with a better idea. He said, what if we use a web map? What if we use the Esri Instant Apps app builder and come up with a web map application that the client can compile all of this data, synchronize it. It's just a much better and more accessible way to work with their data rather than going through, dozens and dozens of figures in PDF format. So our project team was very flexible with this, which was awesome. The client was very receptive because it wasn't part of the initial scope of work, but they were keen on any kind of tool that was going to make their life easier. We worked on putting together a background database to compile all of this information. Both the client tables and the ERIS report got some kind of pre-built app builder layers that we could add in there. Dan worked on the symbology to make it really clear. And the client was able to use this web map with basic Esri login information, pan around north to south, east to west, move around the site and click on different features that might be of interest. If a parcel was near a high-risk location, potentially high contaminants of concern, they could click, a pop-up would show up, listing all of the various key attributes that they would need to analyze in order to check out that space further, and as it related to the highway expansions. While it was outside of the initial scope of work, the web map proved to be an incredibly useful tool. This is why Caltrans continues to come back to us for more and more projects. We come up with innovative solutions to deal with their large data sets, better visualize it, streamline the workflow, and generate tools that are effective and efficient.